Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are part of Somali Northern Unionist movement from Sanaag, Sol, and Togdheer regions, and in the spirit of unity and solidarity with the rest of the Somali people, hereby declare this position statement. We represent more than 2/3 of the northeastern Somalia's geographic landmass and more than 75% of its population. Our vision is to seek a permanent solution that should end hostilities and bring Somalis together. This is the only permanent solution that can bring to an end the ongoing political and economic marginalization of the Somalis from the so-called disputed regions in northern Somalia. For the last 20 years, the administrations of Puntland and Sanaag have pursued aggressive policies of division and of exploitation that lead to a cycle of conflict, leadership crisis, and chronic underdevelopment. First, we underscore the fact that our communities believe in unity and peace. We fully support Somalia's territorial integrity, sovereignty, and unity. Second, we want to engage in a peace dialogue with the Somali federal government and continue to support its leadership. We want to hold a peace conference in order to find ways for sustainable peace, reconciliation, and nation building. Third, we underscore that the creation of federal member state in the so-called disputed regions of Sanaag, Sol, and Togdheer aligns with the provisions stipulated in Article 49, Section 6 of the Provisional Constitution, that two or more regions may voluntarily join to form a federal member state. Because the northeastern regions meet the conditions and constitutional requirement for forming a member state, it becomes the federal government's responsibility to implement the will of the people and facilitate the state formation process according to the Article 42(8) of the Provisional Constitution. Therefore, we aim to accomplish the following three goals and objectives. We want to extend the federal administration to northern Somalia. We want to establish a northeast federal state in Sanaag, Sol, and Togdheer regions. We want to engage and support open and free elections to be held throughout northern Somalia. We underline the importance of the mandate held by the National Independent Electoral Commission in preparing elections at the federal, regional, and district levels. In conclusion, while highly aware of the serious challenges ahead, we recognize that Somalia is moving forward, that we commend the achievements of the current administration under President Farmaajo and Prime Minister Khaire, and we encourage the federal government to stay on its transformational path toward achieving good governance, economic growth and prosperity, stability, and security of the whole country. With that, I conclude this position statement. Thank you for listening.